Welcome to 30 days of HTML, and on this tutorial I will show you how to use Visual Studio Code because it's very important to write code, specifically HTML code in this case. So VS Code, I think that's the wrong line, but let's just remove and we get this Visual Studio Code, and you go here. As you can see, it's ready for downloading, so you can click here or over here, it doesn't matter, and I just click it here, and then you wait until it finishes. Great, now it's ready. You do double click, and now it's opening. I accept, and then I want to take this. You don't have to, but it's better. And again, wait for a while. Yeah, in the meantime, I will create a folder over here. Actually, it finishes. Let's just okay, so as you can see, guys, this is what you see when you install. Just some notification I'm getting. I don't care for that. Yeah, maybe I may use it for JavaScript. Also, it's good to just click this one, click this at least. Okay, but you don't have to. And if you don't like to see it's refreshing, so if you don't like to see this page again, then click this, that show welcome page on startup. So if you untick this, you will not see it anymore. So now close it. It's so nice. As you can see, it has a very clean interface, and it has also some shortcuts. Here, for instance, Control Shift P. If I do this, it open this tab, and you can write some command, and you execute something. We will see that later. To open a file, to open a folder, and to open recent file. So this is to open the folder, to toggle. As you can see, it is so easy. And this is to install extensions, and this is to search. Okay, now let's go to the desktop and create a folder. 30 days of HTML. You can call it any name you want, but just for this tutorial I chose to call it 30 days of HTML. You open it by click, so it was in desktop. I click over here and get it here. Now my project is here. You can create a file using this. As you can see, when you hover, new file, new folder. Yeah, so I want to create a file, index.html. So HTML, usually we write this declaration, and then we write HTML tag, the parent or the root, and then we need head. Inside the head we need a title, and I call this 30 days of HTML. Yeah, and here we need a body. It should be lowercase. So in here maybe I can, for instance, write the H1. I call it welcome to 30 days of HTML. Great, this is pretty enough because as you can see, it has the declaration. This tells the browser that this is an HTML document, and as you can see, here is the root element, that's the HTML tag, the head and the body. Now if I want to run this, I need a live server extension. So you come here and the live server, it is here, you install it. Yeah, now it's installed. I don't need it anymore. You toggle to close this extension. Now you just go again to the file, right click and open with live server, and it will open this. I want it to be to the right side, and then actually I can just do something like this, and then whenever you write something, this will be updated. So it's easy to code. Sorry, it should be lowercase. There is now a website without HTML. Learn HTML very well. Yeah, as you can see, it is not saved. So since this is not saved, this was not updated. So Control S can save for me. Yeah, now it's updated because it's saved. But as you can see, you don't have to save now and then every time. So you come here on the settings and turn the autosave on. Autosave. If you write autosave, as you can see here, turn it on. After some delay, just change this is enough to change the autosave on. Now the autosave is on and it will work automatically. Let's do some change. Another P. Let's do some change. As you can see, it changed by itself. Great. Now let's see also how to change the theme. Maybe you don't like this background, so you can change different theme, color theme. You come to here, for instance, I may like this, or maybe solarized light. Maybe you may prefer this one. So you have the chance to change the color theme. Solarized dark is actually a very good one. It depends, and even if you are not satisfied with the available theme, you can add additional install. For instance, let's install Dracula. Actually, Dracula, the official, this one. I think let's install it. And again, let's move on to the file. Have you seen? We installed it and now it's different. Yeah, great. So you can add different theme color on your VS Code. So the sky is the limit. There are lots of extensions for different purpose. And yeah, for instance, for a color, let's relate to color. For instance, color highlighter. This is very good. For instance, let's install that too. I think was it already installed? Yeah, if it was not installed, I should see the green color installed. Now let me install it. So what's the purpose of this? For instance, if I write something here, style, and the color red, you will see this will be red. Oh, so sorry, because I have to select some. Yeah, have you seen? Yeah, and then you will have also a chance to change it. So the color highlighter is really very good one. So I think you will have lots of different extensions to install, but for now, just to get started with VS Code, this will be enough. Happy coding!